Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Just a quick reminder about live help, the questions and answers. We are doing this Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. That's tomorrow morning, Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And this is a group chat. This is a live help, questions and answers. It is different than live help one-on-one, but for the most part, I think I can answer all the questions that you have. You can show me a section of the yard that you're having a problem with. Try to keep it brief. Realize that I see problems every day, and whether or not it's flooded when you show me the yard is not going to make any difference. You can send me all the pictures and the videos, but I give estimates every day, and I can see instantly what you need and where you should place things. More than likely, you already have a plan, an idea, and I can modify that, help you add to it, or maybe you're right on the money. But regardless of, this is a questions and answers, and it's a group chat. We hope to get everybody we can in there. I invite contractors to come. Even if you would just like to listen, I think that the group chat is allowing everyone to learn because they see the other person's problems, they'll get the ideas, they hear the help that I'm giving, and they understand what is needed for the French drain, for the crawl space, for a sump pump. How deep do you dig down that footer wall? That is a great question. Let me answer those questions tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So click the description box. Down below you'll see a link that will get you started on how to sign up, and it's free. Like I said, there's absolutely no charge during the stay-at-home orders. Be happy to help the best I can. I am giving the one-on-one live helps every day, as well as trying to, of course, get our regular schedule done, which, by the way, is going to explode here next week as Florida begins to reopen. We are going to be extremely busy. Live help, Saturday morning, 9 a.m.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.